God, it's terrible. I never seen nothing like this before. I drove down to my bed. Everything me lost, everything mash up. Everything. Everything mash up. And my goat, me lose about 11 head of goat. Everything gone. Me can't even name it. Can't forget start all over again with nothing. Not no money.
What are some of the resources that would help you right now?
Water and food and all and something. And get back some more some lumber, set up back my place and so forth. And see if I can get back my boat and whatsoever. Wardrobe dress around there, and my bed and my mattress, my new brand mattress. And all and something. Me zinc them. I don't think I have nothing to put back on the house. Everything gone. They are asking if they could help me. I really thank them a lot. Yeah. Turn me money.